Are you ready to elevate your cooking game and enjoy mouth-watering meals without the hassle? Look no further than the Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into why this versatile 5-in-1 appliance deserves a spot in your kitchen and how it can transform your culinary experience. Versatility at its best, the Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill isn't your average kitchen gadget. It's a powerhouse that can sear, sizzle, air fry, roast, bake, and even dehydrate, all in one compact unit. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to culinary convenience. Cyclonic Grilling Technology for perfect results. One of the standout features of this grill is its Cyclonic Grilling Technology. With the ability to reach a scorching 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it circulates hot air around your food for incredible surround searing. The high-density grill grate ensures those coveted char-grilled marks and flavors that make your taste buds sing. Precise control for perfect char-grilled results. The Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill puts you in the driver's seat with its grill control settings. Whether you prefer low, medium, high, or maximum heat, this grill has you covered. The wide temperature range of 105 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and variable fan speed enable you to tackle various cooking functions, from grilling to air crisping, roasting, baking, and dehydrating. Healthier cooking with less fat. Indulge in your favorite fried foods without the guilt. The included 4-quart crisper basket allows you to air fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. Say goodbye to excess oil and hello to healthier, crispy goodness. Say goodbye to smoke and mess, worried about smoke filling your kitchen. The Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill incorporates a unique smoke control system that combines chef-recommended grilling practices, a temperature-controlled grill grate, a splatter shield, and a cool air zone. It keeps smoke at bay, ensuring a comfortable cooking environment. Effortless cleanup. No one enjoys scrubbing pots and pans for hours. The Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill is designed with your convenience in mind. The PFO-free, ceramic-coated grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot are all dishwasher safe. Enjoy your meal without worrying about the aftermath. From frozen to char-grilled in minutes, did you forget to defrost dinner? No problem. This grill can transform frozen foods into perfectly char-grilled delights in just 25 minutes. It's a time-saving solution for busy households. Outdoor grill flavors. Indoor convenience. With the Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill, you can enjoy the bold flavors of an outdoor grill right in your kitchen. No matter the weather, it brings the BTU cooking power of an outdoor grill to your countertop any day of the year. What's included? When you choose the Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill, you're not just getting an appliance, you're getting a complete cooking solution. The package includes a 10 inches by 10 inches PFO-free, non-stick, ceramic-coated grill grate, a 4-quart PFO-free, non-stick, ceramic-coated crisper basket, a 6-quart PFO-free, non-stick, ceramic-coated cooking pot, a chef-created 15-recipe book to ignite your culinary creativity, and a convenient cleaning brush. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill is a culinary game-changer. Its versatility, precise control, and healthier cooking options make it a must-have kitchen companion. Say goodbye to kitchen clutter and hello to culinary convenience with the Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill.